Hello students, our today's topic is numbers. As you all know that there are two type of numbers, singular and plural. Singular. So which numbers are singular? It denotes just one place, one creature or one thing. जो नंबर्स हमें सिर्फ एक चीज़ के बारे में बताते हों वो सिंगुलर नंबर्स होते हैं. एग्जाम्पल्स मैन, रैट, गर्ल, पेन, मोबाइल. दे all these nouns are just denoting one thing or one person. That is why these are singular nouns. Plural numbers. It denotes more than one place, one creature or one thing. और जो हमें एक से ज़्यादा के बारे में बताते हैं they are plural numbers. For example, men, rats, girls, pens, mobiles. These are plural numbers. Now there are two type of nouns. One is regular nouns and the other is irregular nouns. Okay, which are regular nouns? कौन से होते हैं regular nouns? Most singular nouns form the plural by adding s only. मोस्टली जो नाउन्स होते हैं उनके लास्ट में हम एस ऐड करके सिंगुलर नाउन्स को प्लूरल नाउन्स बनाते हैं. बोट, बोट्स, हाउस, हाउसेस, गर्ल, गर्ल्स, बॉय, बॉयज़, मैनी मोर आर देयर. ओके, कि ज़्यादातर सिंगुलर नाउन्स के लास्ट में एस ऐड करके हम उनको प्लूरल नाउन बनाते हैं. सच टाइप ऑफ नाउन्स आर कॉल्ड रेगुलर नाउन्स. Next is a singular noun ending in s, x, z, ch, o, sh makes the plural by adding es. Those nouns whose ending letter is s, x, z, ch, o, sh makes the plural. उनके plural कैसे बनेंगे? By adding, उनके लास्ट में add करके es. For example, bus, buses. S is there at the last of the word. Buses, wish, sh, wishes. Es, we have added es. Pitch, ch is here. Pitches. Box, boxes. Okay. Next is a singular noun ending in a consonant. जिन सिंगुलर नाउन्स के लास्ट में कॉन्सोनेंट होता है बिफोर वाई, वाई से पहले, मेक्स द प्लूरल बाय ड्रॉपिंग द वाई एंड एडिंग आई ई एस. Suppose see penny, there is n before y. Y से पहले यहाँ पे n दिया हुआ है, so we will remove y and add i e s. Penny, pennies. City, t is there, t is a consonant, so we will remove y and add i e s. And suppose if there is a vowel before y, then what will you do? You don't add i e s. Here we will add only s. Toy, o is there, it means it is a vowel before y, so we will add only s. Day is a vowel, so days s will be there. Now irregular nouns. There are some regular noun plurals. The most common ones are here. Irregular nouns में कौन से होते हैं? Which are not like regular nouns. You have seen कि we have changed the regular nouns by adding s, es or ies. But what is the difference between irregular and regular nouns? In irregular nouns, the nouns meaning the numbers are completely changed. You can see men, men. Here we have not add any s, es or ies. हमने यहाँ पे कोई भी एस, ई एस या आई एस ऐड नहीं किया है. दे आर कम्प्लीटली चेंज्ड. ये पूरी तरह से चेंज हो गए हैं. मैन, मेन, फुट, फीट, माउस, माइस. सम नाउन्स हैव द सेम फॉर्म इन सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल नाउन. कुछ नाउन्स होते हैं जो सिंगुलर और प्लूरल फॉर्म में सेम रहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल शिप, शीप, शीप, फिश, फिश, एयरक्राफ्ट, एयरक्राफ्ट, डियर विल बी डियर. दे रिमेन द सेम वेदर दे आर इन सिंगुलर फॉर्म और प्लूरल फॉर्म. वो सेम ही रहते हैं. सम नाउन हैव अ प्लूरल फॉर्म बट टेक अ सिंगुलर वर्ब. सम नाउन्स हैव प्लूरल फॉर्म. कुछ नाउन्स प्लूरल फॉर्म में होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल न्यूज़, एथलेटिक्स, डार्ट्स, बट दे टेक सिंगुलर वर्ब. when you make a sentence, the news is right, the news are right, this is wrong, the news is right. News itself is a singular noun. Athletics, darts, these are also plural form, in plural form, but they treat as singular and they take singular verb. Some nouns have a fixed plural form and take plural verb. For example, trousers, jeans, glasses, scissors. All these are in plural form and also take a plural verb. For example, my trousers are loose. The jeans are fit to me. Glasses. The glasses are very beautiful. Glasses, these are not that glasses in which you drink water. These are the glasses that you wear in the sunlight. Scissors. Okay, all these are already S is placed here. So these are plural nouns. So here I have a list of numbers for you. Write them in your notebook and take a revision of this. Okay, so first one is singular. Gas, gases. See, S is there. I told you in the rules, and if there is S at the end of the word, then we add es. Box, X is there. Boxes, S's. Spy, before Y there is a consonant, so we will remove Y and add IES. Spy, spies. Reply, replies. Kidney, now there is E, means vowel is there before Y, then we will only add S. Kidney, kidneys. Essay is there before Y, so essays. Wife, wives. Loaf, loaves. We will remove FE and add VES. F we will remove and add VES. Proof, proofs. Chief, chiefs. Now exception is always there. Okay, there is vowel before F, so we will place only S. E, vowel is there before F, so we will add only S. Hero, heroes. We will add ES. Women, women. Only vowel will be changed from A to E. यहाँ पे A है, इसको हम E कर देंगे. Louse, lice. Foot, feet. Policeman, policemen. Double O will be changed into, means whatever the vowel is given here, it will change into E. Policeman, see now vowel A is given, it will change into E. Policeman, policemen. Ox, oxen. It's not oxes. The plural of ox is not oxes, it's oxen. Goose, geese. Double O is here, double O is here. We have changed the double O into double E, so same rule will be applied here. Double O will be changed into double E. Goose, geese. Series will remain. Series, I told you some irregular nouns are there, so series is one of them. Series will be series. Stepson, stepsons. We will change the number of son only, not the step. So stepson, stepsons. Thank you.